Hello，Hannah，Anna。咁啊，今日阿 Jack 都請假，咁啊，Hazen就未到，咁我唔知 Hazen 係點咧。阿 Jack 請假嘅，咁我哋上住先啦。唔得啊，你幫我，你等埋。今日我哋本身咧要默呢個 Patreon 9嘅噃，記唔記得㗎？咁咧，我哋溫一溫習啦，順便咧讀本書先啦，OK？咁啊，上次咧就教晒 Picture Nine 啦，你哋加油喎，知唔知道？Picture Nine 咧，睇下阿妹記唔記得先。今日我哋教 Picture Ten 噶啦。好，Anna 記唔記得有邊個字啊？Hello，Hazen，今日得你喺度啊，Anna 喺 Zoom 入邊。鄭一健，Anna 你嗰度冇聲喎。有啦有。記唔記得有邊五個字啊？嗰隻係咩顏色啊？
咩啊
記唔記得有邊五個字？佢寫手未啊仔
？A E I O U
？A-E-I-O-U 係 vowels 喎，我唔係問緊有邊五個 vowels。呢一幅圖畫有邊五個字啊？記唔記得呢隻係咩嚟㗎？
雀仔
雀仔係咩仔啊？
，ow
係鴨黃，佢咩顏色㗎？
黃色，
係咪？
篤親隻隻
係篤親隻羊。英文咧，
，the owl
黃色係乜嘢啊？黃色係乜嘢英文
the
啊？
yellow owl
Yellow owl 係咪啊？佢篤篤篤篤嘅英文係乜嘢啊？希晨，篤篤篤係咪啊？佢篤啊！呢個事情我都唔記得係。好似係有一個嘅，不過係 poke 係咪？見唔見到啊？
the goat
跟住點樣叫法啊？妹點叫法
oat
唔係唔係
oat
ouch，都行咗啱記唔記得？講多次，
u
唔係要錯冇啊，out 行咗 out out
e yellow owl yellow owl goat goat goat
最後一個字係咩話
oat
？O-U 黐埋一齊讀 out 記唔記得？
ouch
記得未？你幫我抄咗都冇點都冇計，你自己抄。嗱，咁大家唔記得就聽翻首歌，唔該記住啦，上次教晒啦，得唔得？你抄咗先啦，佢全部都冇電，咁係咁嘅咯，冇辦法啦，辛苦你啦。你又要玩又唔插電，咁冇辦法啊。聽首歌先。
The sound of owl. Ow, ow. How can we say this sound? Ow, ow. How can you tell me? Ow, ow. How can we say this sound? Ow, ow. How can you tell me now?
好啦，阿妹呢個點讀啊？
loud loud
係
loud
係啊，點樣拼啊？咁 O-U 讀乜嘢啊？O-U 讀乜嘢？你先讀。係
owl
out loud 係咪？跟住希晨啊，呢個點讀下？
Out.
係記得 OU 讀咩啊？
Out.
Very good，記得啦。呢隻咧，Anna。
Mouth.
係咁，
Mouth.
係啦，記得 OU 讀 out 啊嘛，係咪？跟住希神
Out. Out.
係啦，咁 OU 讀咩啊？OU 讀咩啊？
Oh.
嚇？拗係咪？拗咯，啱啱拗。
Out, out, ow, ow. How can we say this sound? Ow, ow. How can you tell me? Ow, ow. How can we say this sound? Ow, ow. How can you tell me now?
你幫下佢啊。呢個係乜嘢啊，Anna？
Moon. Wow.
係啦，OW 讀咩啊？
Wow.
係咯，
Wow.
係啦，全部都讀 out 啊，係咪？OW 同 OU 呢個咧？得。
Wow. Da. Wow. Da.
係得 out，
Wow.
係 down 高 down 個 down 咯。呢個咧擺尾巴都會有機會嘅喎，cat
Wow.
out， 因為
Wow.
OW 都可以讀 out 係咪？最後就係我哋嗰隻雀仔係咩雀仔？
Ow. Ow.
係咪？
Ow.
係啦，記住啦，全部都讀。
Sound, ow, ow. How can you tell me now?
記得 OU 讀 out 咯喎，咁 Anna 好唔好啊？嗱，咁我哋温一温我哋嗰張字，個 picture 9先。
Wow.
係啦，
Wow.
第一個我哋話呢隻黃色嘅 yellow 個 yeah yeah
Low.
啊 O 嗱 O low 係咪啊？OW 我哋而家學緊 OW 啦，所以 OW 我哋低音啲嘅鬧路 OW 個 O 得唔得？跟住 owl 都 OW 嘅
Yellow.
owl，跟住 O 得唔得？嗱，咁我哋學咗頭兩個英文字啫。跟住逐個嚟啊，因為大家唔係好叻，所以 Anna 你自己攞支筆筆幫我抹 yellow 同埋 owl 咯喎，你有冇？
攞張紙啊！
有啊，我
攞張
抹 yellow，
紙筆。
得呢
攞
yellow，幫我抹 yellow 啊，
要唔要有紙啊？要唔要紙啊？
幫我抹 yellow 啊，
要紙啊！
你自己攞唔攞到？yellow 6個英文字母嘅，唔要
要呢支筆。
點啊？
我要呢支。
一樣。耶呀細嘴巴呀唔使食蘋果嘅，因為 yellow 唔使要個紅色咯。耶，我好難啊嗱，耶細嘴巴嘅係啦，路兩個 L 啊，我提大家好唔好？係啦，我問翻尾巴係邊個咯
Yellow out。
喎？睇唔到喎，你後邊係蒙嘅喎。阿妹你自己對咯，因為睇唔到，一啲都睇唔到。加兩個英文字母。
Yeah. Yellow.
唔係 yellow 喎，O 同頭先我哋唱嘅 L 差唔多嘅，係啦，係啊，頭先都 O 同埋 L 咁樣似乜嘢英文字母啊？ good good good。得啦，佢記得啦，W 兩個音都係讀 O 得唔得？咁俾翻個 R 和我咯喎，O 點
加邊個字？
O 和，快啲 one two three R係邊用邊個粒粒啊？R 係邊個啊？R O 同 W 係咪？R O 得唔得？記唔記得？阿妹，你望下你自己啱唔啱咯喎，因為我睇唔到啊。poke 係 root three 嚟嘅啫，poke 下 O poke 加 O go 就係 root two 又嚟啦喎。首先啦，
有呀，同 E 同 L 同 L 同 O 同哇，
可能啱啩。睇唔到啊，Anna。你叫爸爸教走個後面 blur 我先睇到喎，你而家 blur 晒我睇唔到啊，Anna。
睇唔到，但我睇到你個樣。
係，我都淨係睇到你個樣嘅，因為你 blur 咗啊，你後邊係冇噶，你要教翻唔冇，我先睇到你寫字，明唔明白？你睇下會唔會爸爸幫你教到嗰個唔好冇嘅後邊？
入咗房啊！
由佢咯，我哋默第二個字啊，幫我默個 poke 字啊，poke 係 root three 嚟嘅，poke。希娜，你幫佢教嗰個 zoom 咧，後邊唔好蒙啊，因為佢一係你幫佢睇下佢串 yellow owl 串得啱啊。poke 呢個係讀到噃，要有 magic E 先至讀到 O 係咪？而家讀 poke 啫，係啦，poke 嘅
Yellow
個高串啊，
Yellow
佢錯咗係咪啊？yellow 啊，
唔係喎，啱啊！
啱啊，yellow owl。
得啦，
仔仔，
我睇唔明佢啲字啊，我睇唔到，我睇唔明佢啲字啊，
我都睇唔到啊，因為好蒙。
我睇唔明。
咁你寫好啲啦，Anna。唔好對住我 cut 得唔得？其實最後一個要唔要戴口罩啊？最後一個 out，頭先我哋講咗個 out 係邊兩個英文字母咧？頭先我哋啱先溫咗個 out，邊兩個英文字母 out 啊？邊個同 U 黐埋一齊？UO 啊，肯定係 UO。頭先唔記得啦，又係嘛？好，唔記得啦，唔記得就有 OK。唉，唔得，記得啦，唔記得。睇多次啊，好唔好啊？呢兩個讀乜嘢啊？
O U
記住啊，講10次啊。
O U O U O O O U O U O
就得啫。OOU，OUOUOOU，out。幫我寫翻 out 啊咁 out 記得 OU 讀 out 咯喎，咁 out 咧俾埋個住我啦。H 讀唔讀到住啊？Tason H 讀下啫喎，我要住邊個係住啊？邊個係住？Tason H 讀唔到住點啊？CH 啊，好唔好？玩，Tason CH 係讀住寫個。CH 我叫你寫，唔該，one two three。唔係除 R 喎，望住 R。好， 唉，我睇唔到啊！你哋 Zoom 我係睇唔到你哋問乜嘢啊？咁啊，你哋自己下一次再畫俾我睇啦，呢幾個字，好冇？喂，唔緊要啊，Anna，我睇唔到啊，因為你後邊個背景係霧啊。你俾家姐睇下，睇唔睇到你寫咩？我哋讀本書，快快脆。今次讀呢本呢，都係關於第9幅嘅，跟住就加埋第10幅啦。你哋加油啊，好冇啊？傷心啊！
我要呢個。
啊，咁你聽下先。Hazen 呢個讀咩得 ？Upside。upset 唔係，呢個係 rule 幾嚟㗎？點 set 啫？咩 J-E 喎？咩 J 俾10拋個 I 啊？實 I。upside。upside 咩啊？down。bara。係 the upside down browns，即係話咧呢個啡太太、啡先生啊，佢哋唔知點咧？睇下啡先生、啡太太咯喎。Anna 幫我讀啊，Mr. and Mrs. Brown.
Mr. Brown and the break that
好，Anna 咩事喺邊度？呢個第一個字呢個讀唔到 Rai read 喎，係咪啊？Rule 2嚟啫，Rai read 冇 right 字，Hazen 做乜嘢？Read 點解係讀 right 啊？Read Rai read Rule 2嚟㗎咋？Read 啊？
with the big
聽字排 A。
pay per
paper。
you sit down
可以，加油下，阿妹你自己讀多啲書咯喎吓。Mr. and Mrs. Brown read the paper upside down。啲字全部除咗 Mr. 同 Mrs. 應該唔識之外，其他都應該識讀噶啦噃。到希晨。喂，啊，去咗邊度？希晨。Mrs.
Brown and teapot with 2 spots.
OU 讀咩嘢？OU 讀咩啊？Supper。係慢慢拼啊嘛，唔好亂估啦。And coffee comes out of their taps。哇！啲咖啡就喺水喉度出嚟嘅。茶壺咧就有2個嘴喎，跟住到你咯喎，Mr. and Mrs. Brown。 Mrs.
Brown
呢個字啊。
have a fun roll at
OU 讀 L。
house.
再嚟個得唔得啊？OU 讀 L。
round house.
唉，得唔得啊？佢哋有個咧 funny round house funny 啊，頭先係咪漏咗個 y 啊？ It's
funny
round and round like a roundabout。話佢咧氹氹轉氹氹轉，好似個咧氹氹轉咁嘅喎間屋屋。希神，請你過返嚟，
yes
到你啦喎，希神。
Mr. Brown put on his
停啊
trousers
trousers
to
to
have a shower.
係佢着褲咧沖涼嘅喎。He blows his nose on the towel。話佢咧用毛巾擤鼻鼻嘅，咦係咪啊？跟住到你啦喎，阿 Anna。He
He put on his sun hat when
Anyway
when it is cold.
啦
Cloudy. Oh,
，U 同 R。
cold.
Anna，U 同 R，O U 同 R。
Cloud.
D
Cloudy.
係佢話咧，當天氣陰天嘅時候咧，佢就戴帽嘅。跟住咧，希神，
Voice.
咦？
He takes it off when the sun comes out.
有太陽伯伯嚟到嘅時候就除帽咯喎。嗱，希神因為冇禮物㗎，你唔坐低。Mrs. Brown is funny too。哇，Mrs. Brown 都好搞笑嘅喎，佢點樣㗎？希神讀呢句啊，難少少。Anna 啊。
Bounce around in a crowd.
係，she bounces around in a crowd。佢咧帶住喺皇宮周圍跳嘅。跟住咧，Anna，咦？
Put
啦
on
啦，
fell
OK 啊，flower
flower on here
her
nose.
藍青
No, no.
係，she put flour on her nose。佢擺啲麵粉咧化妝喎。跟住你咧，希神，and
She puts powder in the cake.
哎呀，cakes。佢咧就擺啲化妝品落蛋糕度啦，慘慘。Mr. and Mrs. Brown go to town in their dressing gowns。佢哋咧去街市就着到好靚咁喎。They climb， 到你希神，They climb。 Anna 讀啲易少少，你讀呢個難啲。They
mountains
in
in their flat
咩字啊？呢個慢拼啊！
slippers.
係，佢哋咧就着拖鞋爬山嘅喎。哎呀，好，跟住 Anna 讀呢個啊，They OW grow。 喂，你又話俾 Anna 讀，你而家讀晒 They。
Bear.
佢哋喺張床嗰度咧就種花嘅。嗱，希神眼睛。And they sleep outside in the flower bed。 哎呀，佢哋喺出邊咧個花床嗰度瞓覺喎。No。 And when Mr. and Mrs. Brown see a clown， 佢哋見到個小偷嘅時候咧，Anna 你幫我讀呢個，佢哋點㗎？佢哋開唔開心啊？They OW 讀咩啊？
Bone.
OW 讀 owl 啊？
Brown.
係 they frown，佢哋皺晒眉啦。But if you think Mr. and Mrs. Brown are funny，如果你覺得佢哋好搞笑嘅話咧，到你啦，希神最後一句。
How about their pets?
佢哋啲寵物點咧？喵喎，哇哇哇！OK，原來調轉晒嘅。貓貓就喎喎咁叫，狗狗就喵喵咁叫。咁啊，成本書咧都係啲 OUOW 嘅，記住 OUOW 都係讀 L 聲嘅得唔得？L 啊！哎呀，激死我啦，講極都唔記得。好，我哋教少少第10幅圖畫。呢度我請你1、2、3。呢個咧係好叻煮嘢食嘅媽咪嚟嘅，佢叫做咧 Cooking Mother 喎。佢係啦。Cooking Mother，我哋以前咧，美書年細個有個遊戲咧叫 Cooking Mama 喎，佢會咧成日咧都要煮餸咧跟佢煮餸啦。咁呢個叫 Cooking Mother。佢咧但係就唔成日煮餸住啦，今次佢成日都問問題嘅。She always asks question。佢問咩 question 啊？佢問我：哇，你翻到嚟啦，放學翻嚟啦，你食午餐先定係沖涼先啊 ？Would you like to take a bath or lunch first？OK？咁我望一次咯喎，阿妹有冇睇緊啊 ？Anna，有邊5個字啊？幫我講翻，佢係邊個嚟㗎？呢個佢係邊個嚟㗎？
咁臭嘅，
唔係啊，好香喎！佢係邊個嚟㗎？媽咪係咪啊？媽咪英文係乜嘢？Mother，識唔識 mother？係啦，cooking mother，講多次 cooking mother。Anna 講一次 cooking mother，係啦，佢成日問 question。question，你做緊乜嘢Anna？
question
係，佢問乜嘢啊？佢問啲人食午餐先，午餐英文係乜嘢啊？
crown
午餐啊！
world
午餐係乜嘢啊？請問 lunch 定係沖涼？沖涼係 take 啊乜嘢啊？希神答。起身，請坐。我靜。
Story. These are Mr. O's grandsons. We call them the Boot and Foot twins because they always argue over their boots. When you hear an oo sound in words like boot, soon, or zoo, it will be the Boot twins saying, "Ooh, I have your boot. Give it back. Oh, I have your boot."
好，聽完呢個咧，知唔知佢講咩？原來 O 咧有2個聲音嘅，O 黐埋一齊嘅時候咧，成日都哥哥嘅發嘅聲音先至係啱嘅。哥哥咧就讀一個長嘅 U， 細佬咧俾人哋搶，俾哥哥搶咗對 boot 咧，就得翻隻腳，一隻腳英文我哋叫 foot。OK， 係啦，咁我哋聽埋後面先啊，下次先有長嘅哥哥。聽歌仔啊，聽歌仔。
Ooh, 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 ooh. Boot and foot, boot and foot. We are the Boot and Foot twins. When we fight, he always wins. Boot and foot, boot and foot. He says, "Ooh, I have your boot." And I say, "Oh, just look at my foot." Boot and foot, boot and foot. Ooh and ooh, ooh and ooh, 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 ooh.
好啦，記住啦喎，嗰個咧細佬嘅聲音，OK，佢有咁而家細佬咧就係個嘅聲音啦
Very
OK，
precious.
我哋讀一次，one two three，
Foot and foot, foot and foot.
唔係啊，起神，跟我讀一次，foot，係啦，foot。但係咧，原來就係話咧，O 都有兩個聲音啊。佢通常跟 K 嘅時候咧，都會讀呢個嘅聲音咯喎。咁一齊讀呢幾個就得啦。OK，one two three，把book，把book，有冇揀啊 Anna？
Look, foot,
哇，
wood.
係啦，讀得超好喎。OK。
Those they.
因為呢個 O 咧，我哋學咗個細嘅細佬先，佢咧跟住 K 啊 T 啊，有陣時好多時候都係讀呢個短嘅音嚟嘅。好，我哋休息之前咧，因為遲到啦，又遲咗開始啦，Anna 又喺嗰邊啦，咁我哋繼續先啊，直至到你呢個 Zoom 仲有8分鐘跳出去，我哋先休息5分鐘就算啦，好冇？咁我哋今日教咧跳一跳，教埋個 question 啦喎，OK，question，又聽歌仔啦，好冇？
Hey, there's Q and his best friend Q. Wherever Q goes, U goes too. Oh, hey, there's Q and his best friend Q. Wherever Q goes, U goes too. They quickly become quite unique, and their quirkiness adds to their mystique. They're frequently at the aquarium because they're quite a big fan of Aquaman. Yeah. Hey, there's Q and his best friend Q. Wherever Q goes, U goes too. Oh, hey, there's Q and his best friend Q. Wherever Q goes, U goes too. They squeak and squeal and squish and squeeze like a squiggly squid in the sea. Their quest for quiche is unquenchable, and their questions are quaint and quotable. Yeah. Hey, there's Q and his best friend Q. Wherever Q goes, U goes too. Whoa, hey, there's Q and his best friend Q. Wherever Q goes, U goes too. Sometimes you blaze with his other friends. Yeah. At Q's request, he's quickly coming around again. Oh, hey, there's Q and his best friend Q. Wherever Q goes, U goes too. Oh, hey, there's Q and his best friend Q. Wherever Q goes, U goes too.
好，聽到啲乜嘢啊？呢個佢話 Q 一定要同邊個一齊啊 ？Q 一定要同邊個一齊啊？
You.
係 Q 永遠都會咧要同 U 一齊嘅，知唔知道啊？咁所以咧，
Popo Vivi.
以後你哋有個 Q 嘅呱呱聲咧，就一定要黐埋 U 咯喎，但係 U 就冇聲音嘅，知唔知道？明唔明白？Anna 明唔明白？個呱呱聲個 Q 咧，永遠都要黐埋個 U 一齊睇嘅。嗱，咁好簡單嘅啫，我哋淨係睇下我哋個字啦，question 呢個字啦，好冇？ 好啦，呢個夸 Q 係啦，Q 永遠都黐住個 U 嘅，頭先話係咪？係啦，咁所以個 U 咧就冇聲嘅。第一個係咩字嚟㗎，妹？
六
夸
破破破
夸 A，
快
明白咧？快
破哎快快
，A 讀 A 啫嘛，阿妹，一個 A 讀 A 就喎。再嚟講一塊。
快哎快
係 quack 係鴨仔叫啫嘛，係咪啊？quack quack quack quack，OK。第二個希神呢個咧，呢個讀咩啊？係啦，兩個 E 讀 E 咯，華 E Queen 係咪？下一個咧喺呢度溝開嘅，華 I quiet 係啦，華 I quiet 得唔得？下一個呢個我哋學過咯喎。
六六
諗清楚 Q U 黐埋讀乜嘢？
一
話 quick 係咪 ？quick 快啲 quick。最後一個少少難嘅嗰個咧，我哋讀跨 A square 即係咧正方。因為你識寫就太好啦，不過個 air 係有啲難聽嘅，個 air 本身咧就唔係 R 啦，係咪？咁所以呢個 air 啦喎。咁啊，呢個我哋繼續啦喎，聽埋呢個純啦喎，我哋今日等一陣啦，聽埋呢3分鐘就玩噶啦。
Here is a sticky I. When it sticks to a letter, they both make a strange sound, like this. Shh, shh, shh. Nation, nation. Magician, magician. Mission, mission. See what that sticky eye did? That's pretty tricky. Remember these word tails. They all have a sticky eye. They make the sound shun. Do you know which one the sticky eye likes best? T-I-O-N, shun. Now don't forget to say the sticky sound when you see the sticky eye. Goodbye, sticky eye.
好，呢個好快啫嘛，係咪？咦，原來佢哋4個黐埋一齊咧就唔使拼噶咯喎。Sticky Eye 最中意邊個啊？Anna？
全部咧
Sticky Eye 中意邊個啊？
A sticky eye. They make the sound shun. Do you know which one the sticky eye likes best? T-I-O-N, shun.
Tion 喎，Anna。I 最中意 T 喎，Tion 得唔得？咁所以我哋咧呢個以後咧見到佢就唔使拼啦，唔係 T 人啦，OK，唔係 Tion，OK，佢哋黐埋讀唇高個唇啫，得唔得？我哋睇多個呢個咯喎，唇
I O N
呢個咧略教得啦嚇，知道就得噶啦，可以教得好。
shine.
Hi there, Lucian here. The letters T, I, O, and N sounds like shun, shun. While at school, I always learned about fraction.
好，一齊讀 frac，跟住 tion 讀乜嘢啊？後邊 Anna tion 讀乜嘢啊？
red
tion 讀查唇高個唇啊，你有冇聽緊啊
fan
？Sean
Fractions. I even joined a
唇高個唇啊
competition. Competition. As it was a tradition. Tradition.
tradition 呢啲字太難啦，不過你就係記住個傳統。
But I always like to dream about N